What do you like to do in your free time?
Do you know how to talk about hobbies in English?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about hobbies and free time activities.
Let's improve our English together.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you so much for watching and supporting our channel.
If you enjoy this lesson, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment.
Today's lesson will help you learn useful English for talking about hobbies.
Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing well. What are you doing this weekend?
I don't have any special plans.
Really? What do you usually do in your free time?
I enjoy listening to music and watching movies.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I enjoy reading books and cooking.
That's interesting.
What's your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is playing video games.
Really? What kind of games do you like?
I like adventure and sports games.
How often do you play?
Usually 2 or 3 times a week.
Do you play alone or with friends?
Mostly with friends.
That sounds exciting.
What's your favorite hobby?
I love reading novels.
What kind of novels?
I enjoy mystery and travel stories.
Would you like to learn a new hobby?
Yes, definitely.
What would you like to learn?
I'd like to learn photography.
That's a great hobby.
What about you?
I'd like to learn how to play the guitar.
Really?
Yes, I love music.
How long have you wanted to learn?
For about 2 years.
You should start soon.
I think you're right.
Do hobbies help you relax?
Absolutely.
Why?
Because they help me forget stress.
I agree.
What do you do when you're stressed?
I usually read a book or listen to music.
That sounds relaxing.
Yes, it really helps me.
I think everyone should have a hobby.
I agree completely.
Would you like to try my hobby someday?
Playing video games?
Yes.
Sure, it sounds fun.
Great. And I'd like to read one of your favorite books.
That's wonderful.
Maybe we can learn from each other.
That's a great idea.
I'm excited already.
Me too. Great job listening to today's conversation.
We hope you learned useful English expressions for talking about hobbies.
Practice listening and speaking English every day.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this lesson.
See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.